Hello everybody, we are going to be giving you a tutorial on how to set up a Minecraft server 1.7.4 without Hamachi on PC with Sky Broadband, because they do it just a little bit differently to most servers. So first we're gonna just go ahead and we're going to make a new folder and we're going to name it Minecraft server or whatever you want, doesn't matter. And then we're going to go on the internet, and once we're on the internet we want to type in minecraft.net, and once we are on minecraft.net we want to click download it here. And so this is the download page, and after we get to here we're going to want to download the first link on multiplayer server. Now I've already got it installed here, and we're going to want to put it into this folder, and once we've opened it here files will be generated, and then we can go ahead and type in stop, and I think we have to wait for everything to happen and then it'll close. Now that's all of these things are the files. So this is the world that you sort of live in, and then this is your server files, all these different things you can change, banned players, ops, anything. And now next up we're going to want to press, in Windows 8 we're going to want to press the Windows key and R to open up Run, and I've already got it typed in here, but you want to type in CND, and then this will come up, and we're going to want to type in ipconfig and scroll all the way to the top, and it's the top thing here, the IP4 address. That is the IP address that you use to connect to your server. Now I believe that just running Minecraft, the Minecraft server, will make a LAN server, so that's just for you and a person in your Wi-Fi range. And so then what we're going to want to do is, now with Sky it's a little different. Normally you have to type in your IP4 address, but it's a little different. You can either type in your IP4 address, but what happens with me, I have to type in 0.0.1 and then it'll take me to my Sky broadband. So try either way. And then press on security, and this one will come up, and your username is admin and your password is Sky or 123. So you click login and you've got all these different things. So I've made different Minecraft servers, but we're going to add a custom service. So this is port forwarding, so we're going to give it a name. Let's call it Tut, and we're going to want the type to be TCP/UDP, and we're going to choose what port we want. So 25565 is a normal one that a lot of servers use, 25565, so that'll be our one that we'll have here. Now as you can see we've got Tut here, and that's not it yet. We've got our firewall rules, and so for outbound services we're just going to want to add, and we're going to want to scroll down and find Tut. So here we go, and we're going to want allow always, and then we're just going to want to click apply, and then you're going to want to click add, and then you'll want to go on to the same thing. You're going to want to click allow always, but you're going to want to click here, send to LAN server. You're going to want to type in this IP4 address you have here, not 01, like you would to find this. It is the actual IP4 address that you find here. So for me it is 06 at the moment. Now then you click apply, and that's pretty much set that bit up. And then we're going to click click on server. It'll open a TXT file, and for server IP you're going to want to put in your IP4 address. And for the port here, if you've got a different port to 25565, you have to change it there. And so we've got everything set up here. Click File, we click Save, and we're going to close it. And then we're going to want to open this again. We'll go on to our Minecraft, and let's see if this works. I'll bring this over to the side, I'll click play. Okay, now we're in Minecraft. We want to click on our multiplayer. We're going to want to add. So let's say my server, and then for you, you're going to type in 192.168, or you're going to type in your IP4 address. And so that will be my server for me. If I find it here, my touch server. And there we go, we're in a world, and if we want to op yourself, go onto your Minecraft server and type in OP Broster, or what your name is. And so it should say to me opt Broster123. And you can also do this differently if you go into your ops txt file. I have my name there already, but you can add, you know, whatever you want. But you'll have to restart the server when you do that. Now, this, to send your friends, because you're going to want friends to come onto the server, you want to type in my IP. And this thing here is the IP you would give to your friends, followed by the port. So, to give you an example, so the port that I had was 25565. So if I wanted to send it to my friend, I would put in, let's just put it in the whitelist folder, I would say, alright, this is what you'd use to log in, 25565. Because most people get it like wrong, and they don't put the port in, and then they can't get onto your server, and then you think it's broken. But it isn't. So that is how you set up your Minecraft server. I hope you have fun playing with your friends on this.